So you want to do edit, you click on this and you have to click on the edit. Oh, we have.
Yeah, we did it yesterday. Find by ID, so it will fetch
So
particular record.
yeah, it is when you click on the edit, I don't know.
Hmm.
After it, I'm opening it, and then you will call another method. I don't know. Oh, we are just opening it, right?
Yeah.
After it, if you want to edit your data, you have to send. Oh, we have you sign up post, right? I think we have code.
Yeah. Yeah, we
Surprise! I
changed the
was
action.
thinking.
Yes. Yeah.
Surprise! I was thinking we don't have, but we have. You see,
Hmm.
you are going to call this, right, my friend? Update, and it is going to call. So how we are updating it? If you want to update your data, you have to call the save method, right? Done.
Hmm.
So update we have, right? I was
Yeah.
thinking I don't have, but we have. So let me teach you today a little bit debugging, right? So
Okay.
we have two kind of debugging. Client side debugging. Client side means you want to do front end, right? But front end code you debug when you have some JavaScript and jQuery, Angular, React, and all. So right now we have nothing, right? So there is no question of right now debugging client side code. So you can debug server side code. That is important. Debug means you want to see line by line execution. Let's try. Okay. So if you want to debug your code, see my style, man. You want to debug your code in edit for edit. So you know what this is bringing, man? Edit sign up. When you click on the edit button, you see I put a I double click over here on this. You see what I did? Hello. Abhi, here you double click. When
That
you
blue
click
dot.
double click,
Yeah, the blue dot. Yeah.
yeah, you see
Hmm.
this is called breakpoint. It is
Hmm.
applied. So benefit is when you click on the action, right, edit, your control will, oh, sorry, it's not running in debug mode. I'm sorry. If you want to debug it before putting or after, whenever you want to put, you should run your project in debug mode. How? Normally you do run as Java application. Now you have to
Hmm.
do debug as
Java application.
Java application. So now it is going to run in debug mode. Tring, ne? I'm running it in debug mode. It's saying you want to restart your project perspective in debug. I said yes. And here whenever your project is when your current project stop, uh, this will be highlighted F8. So click on this resume. Remember, otherwise you will not able to run it. Okay. Now it is not highlighted and it is 80 run. So when it will go to the breakpoint? Any guess? We put a we
Whenever
put
this
a breakpoint when you click on the edit. Remember?
No, no,
Hello.
if you do that again.
Nothing. I
If
haven't done nothing, man.
okay.
Here you see we have debug point on edit
Yeah. Yeah.
so
method.
when you click the edit button, it will.
Yeah, when your action will go over here, when your control will go here, it will be pause, not anywhere else.
Mhm.
Let's try. I click on that. So you see my Eclipse is highlighted now. You see
Yeah.
blinking.
Yes, sir.
It means your control come and it's become green. Green means it is waiting right for you. So you when you put your mouse on it, can you see this? Oh, whatever data we send from the client, you can see it. Magic. Hmm? If you want to go inside this method, that's open implementation.
Yeah.
Press control button and here you put again one of the another breakpoint. Then press F6, F6
Hmm.
for next line and F8 for next breakpoint. So right now, if you do either F6 or F8, in both the cases, it will jump over here. See,
Okay. Yeah.
it's saying something. Don't tell me again.
Enable to install.
they, I came over here. Oh, I reached to tau layer. So it's showing clear picture, line by line, execution from controller to service and DAO. Okay. After it, I don't want to go to the next breakpoint. I want to go to the next line. You see, press F6. So you have to use two options, either F8 or
Or
F6.
F6.
F6 means it will move to the next line.
Okay.
And you see in entity, oh my God, all the data is coming. No? So you can
Hmm.
easily verify it. What is coming from the coming when you make a call and you are passing username equals to I forget it. Username equals to power from database. It is fetching this much record. Email, gender, LID, name, password, photo, role, username. Make sense? Yeah.
Yes.
Then you can press F6 again. Yep. Then you can check it. See, man, what is going to be returned from this DAO to service to the controller. So you need to come back to the controller. Yeah. So actually you go inside, right? And when you say F8, it will come to this next breakpoint, right? Yep, this one. And you see from service, I'm getting this data. This data you are adding into the request scope. Then you want to go to the edit sign up page. If you want to go to the final page, press F8, right? Again, stop. Then you say, I want to go to the final execution, GSP. Done. Hello, it's done. Again, you want to debug when somebody submit your update, right? You put another breakpoint. Daksh, यहाँ पे.
Okay.
When you submit it, I know it will come over here. So what you can do, you can click on the update button. Again, it's come here. Right?
Yeah.
Wow. Now, if you want to go inside the method, open implementation, and here you put another debug point, then F6. Here F8, whatever you want to do, you can press it, right? Line by line. So first of all, what your data is there, you are going to copy into it, right? And then it will issue an update query.
Yeah.
You press F6. Yep. And your breakpoint is here, right? So I don't want to do anything else. You can press resume.
Okay.
Got it? Again, I came over here. This is called debugging, and debugging you can learn yourself. When you do it, then only you'll learn it. Okay. Today
Yeah,
I have given you the idea. Go and just do a little bit practice, and we'll do this daily.
Okay.
So debug session I will take daily for 10-20 minutes unless and until everything is clear to you.
Okay.
And debugging is something which you can learn yourself. I'm telling you, debugging solves your problem if you want to see the flow and everything. So right now in this project, we have only one-to-one mapping. I'm willing to show you one to many, many to many, and all those things. So basically, what basically? Basically, when you are creating a sign up, right? When you are saving, sign up thing, I want to make a relationship of sign up with other table. So
Like
allow
a
me.
user table?
Yes, sir. I'm going to make a table, and with already user detail is there. But I want to store my username, password, my role. But I want to get one more table. No worries. Let's do that. Next table is sign up detail or profile. Nah? Entity. In profile, you can store user other detail. Nah?
Yeah.
Make sense?
Yeah.
And entity.
Table.
Entity.
Table name.
Table. Name.
Name.
Profiles. Table. My God, I don't have time. Integer private. Integer profile ID.
Yeah.
Private. Address. I don't want to take much fill. I don't have time. String. Education. Private string. SSN. Right? That's fine.
Okay.
We are good. Basically, we need to learn relationship, date of entry, not more than that. Oh, how to make getter and setter, everybody knows.
Data.
Yes.
Data.
It's not a big deal. Or you can, somebody saying, you guys are more smart. You can use, yeah, that's fine. You know it. Lambak. That's fine. Done. I want to make a one-to-one mapping. So we need to see who will be master, right?
Yeah.
So sign up, it is one-to-one, right? So anybody can sign up, you can make master, right? This you can make child. So if you want to make this child,
yeah.
If you want to make a child, right? This is the child. So I don't know you have done practice or not.
Yes,
So
Yeah,
you have
that's what
to
it.
add a sign up. Yeah.
Yeah.
With
Because
sign up, yeah, and getter and setter.
Good. Yeah.
sign up is a master. So you need to put this reference into child.
Yeah.
And after that, you can use annotation,
ID.
at ID,
Generated value.
generated
Strategy.
value मैं ऐसे कर सकते हो.
Identity.
It's done, and here you can use one-to-one.
Yeah, one-to-one and join column.
One-to-one, and here, give me a second. When you save profile entity, sign up should be also created. So you can use here cascade, right? Cascade
Cascade.
type
Dot.
dot all.
Hmm.
After that, you can use join column
Join column. Yes, sir.
and
And
join
the name of
column
the column
equals to
was the foreign key.
sign up f sign up ID. F sign up ID. Okay.
Hmm.
And
Fetch eager.
by default it is.
Okay.
You have to use unique.
The unique
Unique
true.
true.
Unique
Yeah.
true.
True. Correct.
But I think it is by default. It should be null false.
Hmm.
Right?
Yeah.
Done. It is done. I think we have to do this much only, right? Yep. 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 Yep.
You just want to do unidirectional?
Yes, sir. I need unidirectional.
Okay.
Though I need unidirectional. Understand it is required. Okay. Unidirectional is enough. Allow me. So एक second. Hmm. Hello.
Yeah.
So let's save it. Basically, so when you save the sign up entity, here you have to make sign up entity is the child.
Yeah.
Sorry, parent. I'm sorry about it. Give me a second. Guys,
Yeah.
for every entity, you have to make a repository. Remember it. So here first of all, we have to make a repository. Got me, Funda? How
Okay.
to write a code repository is cup of tea. Control C, Control V.
Hmm.
Here you can make profile DAO. No? Please remember, for everything you have to make a repository.
Repository.
So here I'm just making profile
Entity.
entity. Yeah. And this you can delete it, Naiji, unless and it is required.
Yeah.
So like this profile, sorry, this profile you have to auto add over here. Multiple repository, one entity, one repository.
Hmm.
You see the way I'm doing copy paste? You
Child
have
and
to do
parent
this.
table auto wired, right?
Yeah. Oh. Cling, cling, cling. Oh yeah. This has been done. And what you need to do, when you save it, right? Now I'm saving sign up entity only, right?
Yeah.
Now you have
But
to save profile entity because profile entity is the child.
yeah.
When you save child, it will save parent also because already we wrote that kind of code.
And we need to
Profile entity.
swap it over here too.
Yeah, I'm
I
telling you.
mean,
Dot say the address. The address I'm right now hard coding. Okay,
okay.
coming soon. Later you can update it. Mm.
Sure.
The data entry. You see this kind of code. We mugged it right because writing many times. Even I
Yeah.
don't know what I'm doing right.
Hmm.
Just remember it. Okay, say dot education. Auto generated SSN number. Dot sign up, right? Like here,
Yes.
This is child record. In child record, you have to save your sign up entity after doing copy
Parent.
paste, right?
Hmm.
So entity you have to set inside it. Make sense? Makes sense. Set sign up entity.
Hmm.
Why is giving error? User, why? Set sign up. Set sign up. Why is crying?
Nagendra, I think you mapped the sign up instead of sign
Yes,
identity.
yes, sir, yes, sir. I
Yeah.
got it now. I don't know. So what mistake I did is in profile, instead of writing sign up, we should use sign up entity. That mistake. So I'm going to update this both the places. Done. It's done. Can you see this? So here now instead of saving entity, we have to save profile entity. Why? Because
Because we
I
are copying.
know
When you save provide entity, the
when you
sign up
save
entity
child,
will
it will
save it by
save
itself.
parent first.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Saving child now. So when you save child, it is saving parent first. Why? Because mapping. Here you did mapping, right? Cascade all. If I want to save this entity, it will save first of all sign up. Done. Let's give a try.
Okay.
So running and debug mode. Like here, when you're in debug mode, if your program stop anywhere, press this. Now we have to do sign up. Sign up is where it is. Sign up. So data should go into database.
Yeah.
Sign up. Now, data should be saved into two tables.
Two tables, correct.
Not in single table. I'm going to show you my local database. Can you help me? What's name is? Like here you have two
User
tables.
profiles and profiles.
User profiles
And profiles.
and user profile table.
And
You might have to refresh.
profiles table.
I'm confused.
You might have to
Yep, you
refresh.
got it now.
User profile table.
Mhm.
Yeah.
So this was from the beginning, right? So
Hmm.
I have just saved this, and it is creating one more record, right, in this table, profile table. Confused? No.
No. Okay.
This is this is the child table, right? And this child table is mapped with the parent table,
Thank you.
whose primary key is 6. So it
Yeah.
one is mapped with last one.
Java tag.
I'm able to do my job.
Hmm.
Like this is the way how you learn it. In the industry, you have to do the job daily.
Hmm.
Got it? So we have seen
1-to-1.
one-to-one mapping. Now I want to one-to-one, then we can learn one-to-many. So one-to-one, one-to-many mapping is similar.
Yeah.
Mm.
In which unique is not true.
So let's make it one to knowingly. I'm introducing it because when I will teach you, just a second, give me a second. Let me close it. Close this. Close this. Tling, tling. Hey, whatever I'm teaching you, you have to do practice. That's reason. So let's do something else. No? And queries and everything is generated here. Yep. See, what is my intention now? I want to make one-to-many. That's so one-to-many means I want to maintain my login history. When I'm login, right? First of all, I need to see when you do localhost colon 444/Google. Not 44. Why I'm doing it? 80, I guess. Slash Google. So sign up all? No. Show all. I'm going to log in with this one. No, password is this. Allow me. Password is TST. Authenticate. Oh, here you are my friend, right? Basically, I want to maintain my sign in history. You understand my intention? Nobody replying.
Okay.
Answer. All
So-
the entity should be created inside entity folder package. So
Yeah.
that
Into the
mistake.
package.
My DO is crying. Okay. And my service layer is also crying. Then I'm going to make another entity. Please tell me if you understand. This is just a practice session. So I would say login or sign in history. So I get sign in history. Entity. Again, I'm leaving because of my. Okay, no problem. Entity. Sign history entity. Okay, entity. I'm not going to use table. If you don't use table, it will take the same name as class. It's okay.
Okay.
Private. Tring. No.
Username.
I'm thinking something. Now, here, integer. Sign history. S. Sign history ID. Private. String. Timestamp. In, right?
Sir, can it also do the location of the sign-in?
Why not, man? You can. And you can do it, right? You can use some third-party API for that. Google offers it, right? I don't know. We have a lot of third. No, this is free also. I don't remember, but in my project I'm using, but that is paid from the Google, right?
Like the IP
But we have.
address?
No, you can, you can find the location, sir. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
You can Google it. You can get some third-party free API which can give you the exact location, state, country, everything will come all together.
All right. So is it and you can put that in the same class in the entity? Okay.
You can do it. So I'm just adding location, but location I'm not going to do it right now. You can do it, okay? Google
Okay.
can do it. So in time, out time, location. I think it is enough, right? At what time I logged in, at what time logged out, and what was the location, no?
Yeah. Correct.
And if you want to, give me sake.
Sir, one more thing. So can it also save? Can it also save your unique device from where you log in, and whenever you switch the device, it prompts you like you are signed in from a new device?
Yeah, it's possible. Right? Are you following me? Everything is possible. You can do it. It's possible. So actually, if you want to track that, there is one field that is called user agent. You can get it right from which device he is logged in. You know what I'm saying? Suppose you are logged in from your computer, and later you want to log in from your mobile. You can track it. How? Actually, when you make a request, in the header there is one field, user agent. That will give you the information about that.
Right, sir.
Got the idea?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
So private, in time, out time, location, and you want to make one-to-many relationship, one-to-many with. It is many, right? With what? Sign up, right? Sign up, because in sign up you have primary key. No?
Yeah.
So like here, let's make getter, etc. And if you understand, then only you have to say understand. Otherwise, I don't understand.
Yes,
We
sir.
are learning whatever we have done in Hibernate. We are trying to apply it here. Like here, this is your primary key, you know, at ID.
ID
It is auto-generated,
generated
value. And here you can use
strategy
state equals to identity.
identity.
And now here you can use many to one.
One to okay, many to one.
Many to one, right? I'm just mapping from the child side. Are you following me? If you want to make
Yeah,
a
yeah.
bidirectional mapping, so you can do it.
Okay.
So many to one means it's many is mapped with one.
Mm-hmm.
So in many to one, again, you have to give many to one. You can mention the cascade.
Cascade.
Same funde. Cascade type. Cascade type dot all. No?
Yeah.
Because I want to show you it is similar to the join column.
Join column.
So you can make it column name value. I don't know name
Mm-hmm.
equals to sign up ID.
Sign up
Foreign.
ID.
Yeah, that's fine. Or column nullable. No?
Nullable.
Of course, false.
False.
And
Unique. False.
it would be false again.
False.
False,
Yeah.
important. False means it is going to be repeat. No?
Yeah.
So it is a unidirectional mapping. So when you save sign up entity, you can save this, right? When you save it, it's fine. So you can save sign up history, then you need sign up entity. That's it. Great.
Okay.
Hey, got it or got confused? No.
I don't know why, but when I try to use the MySQL to create like the time, it never properly works. I don't know if anyone else has had that problem.
You can show to me. I don't think there should be issue.
Well, I don't have it right now because I haven't done it, but
Whenever it's okay. Whenever it comes, let me know. You can show to me. So sign history. You can show me, or you can send me the error, right? On group, Pranjal.
Yeah.
You can send to me.
Okay.
NMSTT entity table. Okay, let me introduce this. But this we are going to use when people are doing sign up.
Okay.
And sign in. I'm trying. Yes, you are trying. So when you make this, don't forget to make a repository immediately. Is it? Is it?
Yeah. So for every entity, we have to create a repository.
Sir, yes, I said like that. Yep.
Okay.
Sign.
Repeat.
Sign up.
Sign up history, DA or sorry.
Spelling mistake. Stan. Sign up. Astra. DAO repository. And here you can use sign up DAO entity. Done. We have to do this, right? And where you are going to auto air, you have to, sir, you have to be smart sometime, right? I'm going to make another service, right? I don't want to write everything over here, right?
Okay.
So it should be login service, right? You see the way I'm doing? You need a little bit of speed. Service. And here you can auto add private. Repository. I did it. And if required, you can do sign up repository also. I'm not writing at all, right? If you want, you can add a method here. Yeah, I'm just designing my interface, right? You see the way I'm designing? Yep. In
Yeah.
opposite style.
Opposite.
I'm creating, writing class by assuming it
Class
is there.
first and then interface.
And after that, public void create save tree. Oh my God. So what you can do? Actually, you have to pass this sign up. Like I need to create a Pojo. Who should have this information? Pojo view.
We didn't created the Pojo for the profile.
Whatever required, we'll do it simply. You know this private string user ID.
Okay.
And whatever you have in the entity is not necessarily why I'm doing this data. You got it?
Okay.
Yeah. So
we
yeah,
won't
things
inject
that
the master table here.
view it is just mapping for sign up. Every
Okay.
entity will have a view also, more or less. So I'm going to save it, right? Yep. Sign up history view. Okay. So what you can do is let's go on a dot. No. I'm sorry about it. The gear, what you want to do? I have to create a sign up history entity. This is child record, right? Child for what?
Right.
Child for sign up. So basically, all the data, right? From here, I want to copy into it.
Yep.
What, man?
So bean utils copy properties.
Bean utils Royal. Spring one, you can take dot copy.
Copy properties.
Source Sena isko copy it. So sign up view say will send in time, on time, location, right? In time, whatever. Not user ID. And then
Return.
the sign up say, right? I need a parent record. The parent record is there already. Find by ID, right? So what I should do? Find by ID or find by user ID? I'm going to check it. Find by user name. Sorry about it. So what you can do? Yeah, you can take username, right? Take the similar name. So find by, hey, why I'm finding master record? Because we need it.
So you can join it.
Yeah, I need it. So it is coming in the input. Get username. Like it will return the optional, so you can get it because I'm assuming it is there for sure. I'll get entity of
sign up.
But I'll do this much only. Sign up because it's all about making your hand dirty. You go and do it. Sign up entity. Done. Okay. Then we have sign up entity. Why I'm fetching it, man? Because when you save your child record, you have to set sign up entity for sure, and sign up entity must be come from database, right? Here, when you are creating history, sign up should be there, right? Assume.
Yeah.
What, man? Sign up means user is there already.
Sign up means user signed in.
User is
logged in.
Already there. You got the idea? Done. So I'm saving my data into history. You got the idea? The way I'm doing? Because that's why I'm teaching you. This is the purpose of it.
So, and the set sign up will do it for you because you have the it's basically time, right? Timestamp, so you don't have to write it. It'll automatically write it for you.
Okay. Like here, what I'm saving it, I'm saving sign up entity. Sorry, I have to, what I'm doing, give me a second. Actually, sign up history entity and later you have to save it, right? This part is clear or you got confused?
Got save. Yeah.
Hey man, in this, my data is coming into this view and I'm creating entity. And in this entity, I'm going to save my data. So when you save the history, you need a master record. Master record is sign up entity. You can go and check it, right? In this, master is sign up
Sign up
entity.
entity.
Sign up. So it's done. I saved it, right? It's done. So from where you have to call it. This method, I am going to move into my
Core
interface.
interface.
When you would write this annotation ensure, it must be there. I added it. Opposite. Now you can auto add this in the controller. Where you can auto add? Little bit fast. You can auto add in the login controller the moment when you are doing login. So where you're doing login, here auth. So basically you have to auto add that service also. Which service? Login service. Hello, private. You know the style? Done. And this login service, are you with me? You guys not replying. But here,
Yeah,
right there,
I see. Yes.
you can call here save history, and save history is taking parameter of what type? History view.
Right.
History, I don't know. What's
Sign
name?
up
Let me
history.
check.
Sign up
Not
history.
just sign up. Mystery. View.
View.
Yep. New. What you can do is dot set in time. So at what time it is going to sign, so you can write, or you can write some utility method for it, right? I'll tell you what is the utility method because the way I'm writing again and again is not good. So you can write some utility method. Let me show you how to write it. Though I'm just creating a new package. You got my style? You too. And here, did utils. Spelling mistake. Here you can write a method, public timestamp, get current time. Because this code you need again and again, that's why I'm saying. Do like this. You got the idea? And this method should be static. You can hear me?
Yeah. Yes, sir. We can hear you.
There util. This is the common method. Wherever you need it, you can just call it. It will save your time.
Isn't it automatically made, or do we have to make it?
No, I just created it. It was not, you see?
Okay.
We'll get current time.
And here you can use third-party API and you can set the location also. Right?
Okay.
Something. And logout time, you cannot set it. I'll tell you tomorrow how to set up logout time, right? Yep. So
Okay.
this is done. This is done. When you log in, it will create a one entry. Try. Entry would be created in database whenever you
Login or sign up.
sign in.
Yeah.
Now I'm going to use this username Password is TST, na? Sign, authenticate. Wow, it's not working. It's showing null pointer exception. And actually, I'm telling you, if you go to the Eclipse, it will show you the number of at what line. Number null pointer exception here. The null pointer exception comes. Like here, I got it. You cannot get immediately because when you're passing history view, right? Oh, you know, in this you have to set user login also. Set why? Because this this username is used in the method. In which method? But when you are saving it internally, this username is going to be used. Got it? So this username you have to set it. Got my point? Yeah. Hello, Mr. When you call it save history, here we are from the history view, we are using username here. So that was null. That was the reason. Now it should work. Password test. Cool. No worry. I'm going to run it again. Again, this error is coming. Let it come. So I don't know that this place, this region is coming. Why?
I don't know.
History view. Give me a second. Like, debugging. I'm trying it, right? Oh man, what I'm trying? Debugging. The debugging will tell me what is the cause of it. F6. The cause of it is I'm taking history view. Username is coming over here, right? Why is coming null? Even I don't know. You should not sign up repository. Oh, can you see this? Oh, Mister.
Yeah,
Your sign up DAO repository is null. Reason is I maybe forget to use AutoWire on it. Thank you for doing mistake. Nah?
Oh.
You got the way?
Right. Yeah.
So null pointer means sometimes you forget AutoWire, right? And I was thinking in history view, I'm not sending username. That was also reason. But this was also reason, I have good practice, but I forget it. I don't know how. Right? So problem has been identified and fixed.
Yes.
Password is TST. Authenticate. So earlier it was null. Now it is not null. F8 is done. You want to see the data? Yep. Refresh it. You see the entry, man? I logged in at this time.
Okay.
This is me, my foreign key, and out time. When you can do out time, man? Tomorrow I will show you the log out. Or you can do it, right? Over here, after sign up, I'm coming here, right? So here you can show some log out button.
Yeah.
And when you do log out, right? I'm just giving the good assignment to you. Here you can put a log out button, a log out link. Sign up, sign out. What? Sign out. Clear? So when you click on the sign out, listen to me. When you click on the sign out, you have to go and update this entry. Out time. Yes or no? Hello?
Okay.
What do you need to do? When you click on it, you have to go and update this out time. You have to apply it, right? Another thing, Daksh. You can make a timeout in this application. You can Google it, how to set timeout.
Okay.
So you can save timeout for 1 second, 1 minute. And I'm telling you, you are idle. You are not doing anything, right? So if you click on the sign out, then in table, you can go and update it. It's easy. It's easy when you do timeout manually. Manually means you do sign out when you click on sign out button. That's you got meaning of it. Explicitly you are doing. Click on it. But sometimes you maybe forget to do timeout. So when you forget to do timeout, then who will do the entry? Because you are not clicking on the timeout.
Yeah. It will be automatic.
Automatically, no. Nothing is automatically in the world. You have to use listener.
The timeout. Okay.
No, you have to write your custom listener.
Okay.
So write what?
Custom listener.
Custom listener. Whenever time is going to out, when sign out take place, right? Then your custom listener will go and update the out time. So the assignment is when you do sign out explicitly, this entry should be done over here. But if what you are not doing sign out explicitly, it is done automatically. Then you have to also update it. So this is one of the good assignment which you have to work. So today what we have learned very fast, use of
one-to-many.
one-to-one
One-to-many.
and one-to-many. Tomorrow I will show you one-to-many, many-to-many. This is, let me send you this before I forget. So really, this is a good try. Sorry, wait.